I was wandering down a broken road, trying to carry all the weight alone. Night so dark, no stars in sight. Didn't know I needed his light. Then a voice called out my name, like a whisper through the rain. Told me, child, don't be afraid. I have walked this road the same. Now I'm walking slow, hand in hand with grace, through the valleys deep, through the hardest days. I was lost, but now I see love was always chasing me. Felt the rain, heard the thunder call. Thought I'd never rise after the fall, but mercy whispered soft and true, my child, I've always been